Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to remove website access from your Google account or how to stop websites from accessing your Google account. So let's start. So first of all, open your browser. Once you open your browser, then log into your Google account. So in my case, I have already logged into my Google account. So once you log into your Google account, now click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, here you can see the option manage your Google account. So click on the option. So once you click on the option, you will be redirected to this page. And over here, you can see the option security and sign in. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, scroll down. And over here, you can see the option your linked apps. So click on the option see all linked apps. So over here, you can see there are 6 apps which has access of my Google account. Now I want to remove the access of PixArt photo and video editor from the Google account. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, here you can see the option delete all. So click on delete all. So it will ask you some information. Click on confirm. And here you can see the message. You are no longer using PixArt photo editor with your Google account. Now go back. And over here you can see PixArt photo editor access is removed from my Google account. So in this way, you can remove website access from your Google account or you can stop website from accessing your Google account. Thanks for watching.